1. Now you have a unique opportunity to become the owner of a magnificent 1977 Buick Electra 225, which is available for purchase at a price of $30,000. This amazing car has a mileage of 90,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Its appearance is striking. A noticeable green color emphasizes its refined style, and the interior in shades of brown gives it a special charm. This car was carefully used by 2 owners, and the car is fully paid. With a clean title and no significant damage or problems, this car is a reliable and stylish choice for a collector or a fan of classics. The seller highlights several features of this Buick Electra 225, including a spectacular exterior with candy elements, a basketball-style leather interior, 28-inch wheels, an Alpine media center with a TV and sound system, as well as an air conditioning and heating system. The car is ready to travel on the highway, providing its owner with a unique experience of true automotive heritage. 2. Currently, you have a unique opportunity to become the owner of a fully restored 1957 Chevrolet Belair, which is offered at a price of $85,000. This magnificent car has undergone a complete restoration and attracts attention with its stylish appearance and outstanding characteristics. The car is equipped with a fully restored 5.7 liters 350 engine block, which includes new pumps, air conditioning, power steering, generator, and V-belt. Extensive upgrades have been made, including a new suspension, wheelwood brakes, ramjet exhaust system, train horn, 2-speed cooling fan, radiator, manifolds, oil bath, fan controller, head gaskets, wiring, gear lever, seat belts, and much more. The front part is rebuilt using parts from the Chevy Camaro. The interior has also been updated, including insulation, a new steering column, lighting from below, and modern amenities. More than $35,000 has been invested in recent upgrades, and that doesn't yet include the $20,000 spent on custom paint. Currently, work is underway to apply ceramic gloss to the body. This Chevrolet Belair not only attracts attention with its appearance, but also promises outstanding performance from the moment of launch. This is a unique offer for those who appreciate the beauty and power in a classic car. 3. Currently, you have a chance to purchase a magnificent 1956 Chrysler New Yorker car for $21,900. This coupe promises you a unique driving experience, embodying the style and elegance of its time. The car has covered only 9,146 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Externally, this Chrysler New Yorker is a true work of art with a white body color and an original design. This car has 2 previous owners, a full payment document, and a clean title. In addition, it is in excellent condition, has no significant damage or problems. It is worth noting that the car retains its originality and has no signs of rust. The 1956 Chrysler New Yorker Coupe is equipped with a powerful 454 engine and an automatic transmission, providing reliable performance. This car embodies the era of classic cars and gives you the opportunity to purchase a unique car with impeccable safety and style. 4. I present you a unique opportunity to become the proud owner of the 1974 Ford Gran Torino Elite, available at a price of $9,500. This car is a real collector's item with a history of only 20,000 miles. The 1974 Gran Torino Elite, in its first and only year of existence under this name, is an ideal example of personal luxury transport. It is built on the same platform as the Mercury Cougar and the 1974 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. This car is equipped with a 351 Windsor V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Despite its age, its body has been repainted, and the appearance leaves a great impression. Although the condition is not perfect, it is attractive and looks great. It is important to note that the air conditioner is not functioning at the moment due to a broken compressor belt, and there is a slight leak in the trunk. However, the seller carefully cared for the car, keeping it in the garage for most of its life. Despite the fact that she is now standing on the street, she has given attention and care to preserve her magnificent appearance. This Ford Gran Torino Elite is not just a car, it is a piece of history that can become yours. bringing to your collection a share of nostalgia and elegance of the 70s. 5. I present to you the stunning 1975 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible, which is currently being offered at a price of $17,000. This car, with a past of 73,000 miles, has become part of history, remaining in excellent condition. This Eldorado convertible was purchased from the second owner, who in turn bought it from the original owner, who lived in California. The car was always in the garage, avoiding the effects of rust and harmful environmental influences. Significant improvements have been made, such as replacing the rooftop motor for the convertible, updating the air conditioning system, installing new fuel and brake lines. Here is a real collectible car that has passed through the caring hands of the owners who are striving to keep it in excellent condition. Although there is a small defect in the cabin, a crack on the instrument panel, the seller provides a new panel for the instrument panel that comes with the car. The seller is open to reasonable offers and is ready to negotiate. He realizes that he has invested more than $20,000 in this car and is ready to meet halfway to find the right owner for this unique car. 6. I present to you the stunning 1969 Chevrolet Nova, which is currently being offered at a price of $23,000. With 2,500 miles to go, this car represents the perfect balance between style, performance, and convenience. The 1969 Nova impresses with its lack of rust and the preservation of the original panels. Its appearance is complemented by a beautiful yellow body color and a black interior, creating a spectacular contrast. The car is equipped with a powerful 350 engine, controlled by the Holley Sniper fuel injection system, and a 6-speed manual transmission, which gives it sporty characteristics and dynamism on the road. This Nova is also equipped with a March pulley system for the engine, a new fuel tank and body bushing, which indicates that the owner cares about the technical side of the car. It is decorated with SS-style details, new rally discs, and LED headlights, giving it a stylish and modern look. The interior of this Nova pleases the eye with black leather upholstery with a front bench and is illuminated by a modern air conditioning system. The stereotype management system, which supports phone and mirror management, adds modern features to the classic design. With a clean title, no major damage, and an abundance of improvements, this 1969 Chevrolet Nova is the perfect combination of old school and modern innovations designed to satisfy the needs of true car enthusiasts. 7. I present to you the wonderful 1966 Plymouth Belvedere, which is currently available at a price of $20,000. This car, having traveled 100,000 miles, is a wonderful example, not devoid of its uniqueness. Belvedere 1966, painted in an elegant burgundy color, impresses with its durability and beauty. The engine, 318 V8, and transmission were restored about 5,000 miles ago, which emphasizes the care of the technical component of the car. A new gas tank, shock absorbers, exhaust system, and tires give it a fresh look. Although the air conditioning system is currently dismantled and does not function, as well as some headlights and speedometer temporarily do not work, the car starts with ease and promises pleasant trips. It is important to note that Belvedere does not have significant corrosion, and a small hole close to the pedals on the driver's side has been eliminated using sheet metal. Although the car is not without some drawbacks, such as a broken air conditioning system and faulty headlights, its technical condition, new components, and well-groomed appearance make it an attractive option for those who appreciate the originality and unique style of this 1966 Plymouth Belvedere. 8. I present to you a wonderful 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible, which is currently available at a price of $32,500. This magnificent car with a drive of 50,500 miles is the epitome of style and elegance. The 1964 Chevelle convertible is in excellent condition. Outwardly white with a red interior makes it irresistible. Equipped with a factory tachometer and a modern retro-style radio, the car is also equipped with a power steering booster for improved control. The original 283 cubic inch engine with the corresponding numbers, as well as the intake system and the Edelbrock carburetor, are running under the hood, providing it with excellent performance and efficiency. A 3-speed gearbox, modern American racing wheels, and a double exhaust add sporty features to the car. With a clean title, no significant damage and problems, this 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible is a great choice for those who appreciate the combination of classic style and modern technology. 9. I present to you the magnificent 1972 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D, which is currently available at a price of $42,000. This owner-owned car with a mileage of 39,000 miles is a true masterpiece in the world of classic cars. The 1972 GTO is in excellent condition, both outside and inside. The streamlined golden exterior and elegant tan interior give it a stylish look. This is a genuine GTO with a 400 motor and an automatic transmission. The car is in exceptional condition and is admired wherever it appears. This single car owner has always been stored in the garage and free of rust. The car works and drives perfectly. All components function as intended. Included with the sale is a PHS documentation confirming the authenticity of this wonderful car. This is really a unique opportunity to purchase a GTO with a rich history in perfect condition. 10. I present to you the stunning 1972 Chevrolet Impala, which is now available at a price of $30,000. This 80,000-mile car has been irresistibly updated and turned into a true masterpiece. This car is equipped with a powerful 454 cubic inch big block engine, which is paired with a completely rebuilt and strengthened 700R4 transmission. The car stands on new 26-inch Dub Duragios wheels with a large matching steering wheel. The new interior in the style of cool gray and bright paint in the color kryptonite green from Mercedes-AMG give this car a unique style. This Impala donk is not just a car. It is a true object for talking and turning heads. He declares himself on the street, attracting attention with his unique design and stylish details. If you are looking for something unique and stylish, this Impala is the perfect choice. 11. In your attention is the stunning 1970 Buick Electra, which is now available at a price of $25,000. This magnificent convertible has undergone some changes and now represents a great combination of style and performance. This car is equipped with a powerful 455 cubic inch engine, which is paired with a perfectly functioning system. All electric windows and the top are raised and lowered, and the body itself is without signs of rust and mechanical problems. This car is supported by a moderate mileage of 15,000 miles and is a real masterpiece. All functions work properly, except for the rear plastic window, where repeated sewing of the zipper is required. However, the top is generally in excellent condition. The car does not have a factory air conditioner, which adds uniqueness to this wonderful Buick Electra. Do not miss the chance to purchase this beautiful 1970 convertible, which promises to bring you the pleasure of driving and the admiration of the views of others. 12. I present to your attention the stunning 1955 Dodge Coronet V8, which is now available at a price of $27,000. This magnificent car has undergone a complete engine replacement and is in perfect original condition, as at the time of leaving the factory. Some modifications, such as the braking system and other improvements, give this car uniqueness and stability. The 1955 Dodge Coronet, with 87,000 miles of mileage, is equipped with an automatic transmission and is covered with a green exterior that gives it a refined look. The new engine provides excellent performance, and this car is guaranteed to delight you as a new car. The full functionality of the air conditioner adds comfort and pleasure to driving. Do not miss the opportunity to purchase this car that combines elegance and reliability, becoming a wonderful addition to your collection or a start in the world of classic cars. 13. Your attention is drawn to the magnificent 1975 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, which is now available at a price of $55,000. This impressive car, having traveled 21,028 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and is a true symbol of style and comfort. Chevrolet Caprice Classic 1975, with red exterior trim and white interior, attracts attention with its refined appearance. This car is equipped with a powerful big block 454 engine that works perfectly without leaks, knocks, or extraneous sounds. The car is original in every detail, with the preservation of factory characteristics and no visible changes in the body. This car has an air conditioning system for your comfort. All electrical systems, such as doors and windows, remain original and serviceable. You can enjoy a powerful exhaust thanks to the dual exhaust system. Do not miss the unique opportunity to become the owner of this car, which not only attracts attention with its appearance, but also promises you the pleasure of a comfortable trip.